it's not very often that I can film and show you what it looks like for me when I'm in bed during pregnancy and how I use the pillows. So I've rigged this up where you guys are up on my fan right now looking down. I use a pregnancy wedge, I use a knee pillow, and then I have a pillow that is the right width for my neck so that it stays in line when I'm sleeping. So when I'm on my side, it's not to the side and it's not pushed up either. So this is my sideline pillow. It has a curvature cut out for my shoulder. So you can see it there. Yep. And then, so I nook into here with my shoulder. So my head is in line again. It's not being pushed up. It's not sagging down. I take the wedge and I put it right underneath my bump. And then I take the knee pillow and I put it right in between my knees. And so this is how I sleep at night. I don't tuck my hands here because a lot of times that can cause some issues with the wrist. Sometimes people will curl their wrists. I don't like do anything weird underneath it. I just come right here and I kind of hold the pillow. And that's a nice neutral position for my elbows. When I need to switch at night, because we so rarely stay on one side, I then keep the knee pillow there. I rotate over and then I put the wedge there. Easy peasy. So that is my routine for at night. I have the pillow on my head that is meant for side sleepers that has the little cutout to make sure that my shoulder can fit in and that my neck stays in line, that it's not leaning one way or another. I use the knee pillow to keep my pelvis in line and to keep me from doing positions like this, which really aren't good for anybody, but definitely not when we have ligaments that are making everything more lax. So this keeps me in line, prevents me from doing that. It also keeps my hips in that nice good width. And then this just supports my bump, which is nice. Sometimes if I don't need it for my bump, I'll just put it on my back and it allows me to be opened a little bit differently into this type of position as opposed to all that pressure directly on my hips. So I kind of do a combination because, as you know, if you are pregnant, there's nothing that works the whole time through. So sometimes leaning back on it with my back feels good. Sometimes leaning more forward on my belly feels a little bit better. So knee pillow, this is about 20, 30. Hiccup hop, pregnancy wedge, I think that's about 20. And then this is an M Lily, so M-L-I-L-Y sideline pillow that works well for me. But pillows are such a personal preference. But in terms of pregnancy, I like the pregnancy wedge and the knee pillow. Not a huge fan, and most of my patients aren't a huge fan of that big U-shaped pregnancy pillow because it's so big and then they have to like contort it all around. So that is my simple sleep guide during pregnancy of the tools you can use to help make sure you're comfortable in your pregnancy sleep.